No,
Niladri. Tag matter. Niladri.
one judgment was delivered, no?
Niladri Jana. But I am saying the petition.
But the judgment was only in respect of Robiul.
Common judgment.
Please, no, please take up. I think it is only Robiul.
দেখেন স্যার রবিউল শেখ সাথে নীলাদ্রি জানা
No. Robil Sheikh with the Niladri Jana. It is there. 2023 SCC online page 710.
Where you are showing.
Pilot, kindly come to paragraph 35, no?
35
Paragraph 35. Your petitioner states that from the published panel of the district Dokhin Dinajpur, it has been seen the lowest score obtained by candidates are untouched is 16,000.436 over the lower course score so and so. The your petitioner states that those marks are higher than. Then, unless you have seen the panel, how can you do it? How can you make this pleading? Next paragraph is
25 26 এ আছে
25 তো পড়া হয়ে গেল 35 তো পড়লাম তাহলে কোনটা
প্যানেল গুলো 124 থেকে
Malad, kindly come to page 124. It's not readable, but see, from 124 the panel has been annexed.
ইন্ডেক্সে লেখা আছে
Panel and kindly see in the index.
Batch matter.
list of the photocopy of list
Malad, kindly come at the top of the
The judgment, was it a same
batch matter. Malad, this is a
page 124.
yes.
index
This has been told to us, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, that the panels were annexed with those
Yes.
restrictions.
Therefore, the panel was not published. It was not the case. আরো বেশি বলিস না জজ সাহেব বেশি চাইছি না বোর্ড বলে দিয়েছে এগুলো বলে দিয়েছে বিকাশ করে দিয়েছে মানে these are the points almost every other my other friends all have dealt with. I don't need to repeat it. I will just beseech to your lordship. I will sum up and I will say to your lordship.
Yes.
Kindly just my lord, these 32,000 persons had been employed right for 2016
17.
17 2000 selection for 2017. This is continuing. First round litigation, second round litigation, all have gone. Very recent, Justice Joymallo Bagchi's judgment, did I cite it? Justice Joymallo, precedent. One of the judgment I cited that is delivered by in the Supreme Court by Justice Joymallo Bagchi. Binding precedent has to be followed. Litigants should not be forum shopper. Renuka versus State of Karnataka. 2025 SCC online SC 970. Now, when Justice Mousumi Bhattacharya was taking matters, 970. Paragraph 17. I cited this.
That was a coordinate versus coordinate, not a single bench versus coordinate.
No. What is the proposition of law has
proposition is if you are not agreeing with a single judge.
Proposition binding effective. See proposition.
That is
binding effect is there. The one of the word used expression has been used forum suffer, which is applicable in this case. There are a number of judges who have taken the matters of this, not removed. Justice Mousumi Bhattacharya, Justice Amrita Sinha, even my lord Justice Tapobrata Chakraborty was sitting singly. Even my lord Justice.
Didn't take up this matter.
No. Education matter you have taken, na? That time it was not moved. I am saying it was not moved. That is, I am not moved. I am saying that. Then Justice Orijit Banerjee, Justice Hiranmoy Bhattacharya. The moment this jurisdiction has come, all that petition. This is called forum shopping. This is what I am not on that. I am not. I am using a legal expression.
Yes, forum shopping. Yes.
Right, forum shopping. I am not interested in any name. This name has no value now today. Now, my lord, next is now this is continuing, my lord. Would your lordship kindly consider? My lord, consideration before your lordship is this: whether the matter was decided in accordance with law by the court by applying all principles of law. By applying all principles of law.
Yes,
or whether the single judge has adopted a procedure which is unknown to the settled law.
yes.
If it is not decided on the basis of the law fixed, it is taking away of the livelihood of others. 32,000 not before your lordships. 32 into 5. 1,60,000, 70,000 livelihood are at stake.
Yes.
Lord, this is my judgment. I'm just so grateful, deeply obliged. You all lordships are so kind to me, accommodated me. I am deeply obliged to my Lord Justice.
We accommodated everybody.
No, even then you all lordship today. No, I express, at least allow me to express my gratitude.
No, not that. This is the usual practice.
No, I express my gratitude to
You
you.
had been serious. Mr. Bhattacharya is there, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. Both of you are senior.
You are, and apart from that, you are so kind.
No, it's about kind.
Your magnanimity kind.
কত তলোয়ার নিয়ে আসছো? Mr. Mojumdar, make it short.
I will try to make it as short as possible.
Yes.
Well, first, my lord, I am going to address on the issue of, but other my lord, I will reiterate just a brief recap of my submissions regarding publication of panel. Well, I made these submissions, but just a quick recap. Lordship will kindly take first Rule 2L of the recruitment.
Mr. Mojumdar, we have taken note of
Your
it.
Lordship has taken note of Rule 2L,
Yes.
then Rule
definition.
8.5,
Yes.
then Rule 9, Rule 10, and Section 60, subsection 2, Clause K.
Yes.
Which gives the my lord, which vests the district primary school council to issue appointment letters. Well, my submission in short was that, my lord, Rule 2L says that panel will be published according to the rules in the manner as prescribed. There is no prescription by rules in the 2016 rules. So I cited one judgment rendered by the Honorable Supreme Court, 87-1 SCC, page 658. That is B.K. Srinivasan versus State of Karnataka. But this was not in my compilation, but I cited, my lord, I just handed up a copy. 2 copies to your lordships. পিটিশনগুলোতে ওই দুটো পিটিশন, এই একটা তো দেখেছে, আরেকটা ওই কি জানো ওই মনিকাটাতে। Kindly take, my lord, 87. I brought copy.
Just a minute.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Paragraph 15.
Paragraph 50. Well, I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, I'm troubling your lordship. Rather, we have tested your lordship's patience to a great extent. But it's like elasticity of your lordship's patience. Paragraph 15. My lord has got that?
Paragraph 15.
15. Man, may I hand up a copy to your lordship, subject to lordship's kind consideration? Which clearly says, my lord, it may be published in official gazette or by any other reasonable means. Here, my lord, since DPSC is the appointing authority and the panel is approved by the board, then it is sent to the district primary council, and the district primary council publish the panels and put up the panels on the billboards of the respective notice boards of the office, in the office of the district primary council. Admittedly, my lord, there are 2 sets of writ petition. One, Rubiul Sheikh with 5 others, I believe, right? And another one in 2017, that is Monica Das. Monica Das a paragraph ta bola. Just give me that paragraph. Panels were sent. And my lord,
That is in Monica's which paragraph?
Monica's page 16, paragraph 12. My lord, even the it was a lengthy petition, and panel is also annexed. My lord, we have got copies of
That
the
has
petition.
been told to us. That is
Yes.
Yes.
But may I just hand up a copy? Just not necessary or not necessary? কে আছে কে
In the writ petition, the panels were annexed.
so the panels were available, were accessible.
That Mr. Bhattacharya,
Stated that this is not publication in terms of the rules. My
whatever has been annexed, that is a list of names, not a
well,
panel.
panel it were panel. Kindly take the can you take the panels if the panels were published. Well, what does panel would mean? Panel would mean the list of the successful candidates.
Exactly.
Nothing more. Well, we
Yes.
may use different jargons, but this is the upshot of the entire matter. Now,
Yes.
and my lord, in Robiul Sheikh and that batch matter, my lord, this from different districts, different petitioners were there. My lord, from 20 districts or such.
You have given some of the writ
My lord,
petitioners.
so, my lord,
that
I don't want to waste your lordship's time, and I made my submissions.
Yes.
So, my lord, and my lord, when their turn came,
Hmm.
my lord, this submission was not countered by any of the respondents in the appeal before your lordship, or even the added applicants.
Yes.
There was no rebuttal. Now, my lord, now
Yes, Mr.
my next endeavor would be, well, it's very strange, my lord, just 1 minute of your lordship's time it would take. My lord, the applicants and some of the petitioner or some of the other applicants rely on two sets of documents. One, affidavit of agency. I will not elaborate on that. Second, charge sheet till the third supplementary charge sheet. It is very strange, my lord. The applicants on one hand are relying on the affidavit of agency, which is an accused in a criminal case. And on the other hand, they are relying on the final reports or supplementary reports of the investigating agency who is investigating the said accused.
Yes.
So, my lord, in that event, can they rely on any statement made by the accused in a criminal case when the, my lord, the reports are ready? The reports would speak for themselves. Reports are public documents. And now, my lord, I take your lordship to the charge sheets. I think that will explain it all. Kindly take, my lord, the CRM number. It's part of the criminal case, this criminal motion. Kindly take, my lord, how this investigation was initiated. What is the starting material source of
Mr.
this?
Majumdar, why you are going into
Well,
that?
I have to go into this because, my lord, they relied on this and I want to also rely on that. It's very strange, my lord.
No,
well,
here we allowed Mr. Bhattacharya to rely since it was a charge sheet.
Yes.
Can be availed by anybody.
Yes, my lord. Well, I also want to rely on it.
You kindly, it was extensively placed yesterday. You
My
were
lord,
there, Mr. Majumdar.
My lord, yesterday supplementary charge sheets were placed.
That's right. You tell us the page number.
I will give your lordship the page numbers, my lord, kindly, and I will place somewhat in detail the fourth supplementary charge sheet, which is still now the final charge sheet, which has not been placed at length. Where, my lord, this identity of the 270 candidates or 264 candidates and identity of these 96 or 94 candidates has been clearly specified, and so we know who are those people.
Can you show us that portion?
My lord, I will come to that.
Identification portion?
Kindly.
Because Mr. Dotto submitted to
Your lordship doesn't have the entire charge sheet. Fourth supplementary charge sheet, the lordship has got entirety.
My lord, certified copy, my lord, I handed over a certified copy of the charge sheet yesterday.
we have ওটা আমার ওখান থেকে আনা any copies we will see.
এই একটা কপি দিয়ে দেবো ওদের। আমি দিয়ে দিচ্ছি তোকে। হ্যাঁ, করে পাঠিয়ে দেবো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই।
This is the fourth charge sheet.
This is the fourth supplementary charge sheet, where, my lord, why I wanted to compare the first charge sheet in the point of time with fourth charge sheet with the fourth charge sheet to place before your lordship or to buttress my contention that what was the allegations which were made initially, most of the Give me 1 second, my lord. Just give me 1 second.
September 20.
Charge sheet টা দিতে
Yes, September 20.
Kindly take the charge sheet. একটা copy দে তো। হ্যাঁ। My lord, kindly take, my lord, first paragraph 9 of the charge sheet, of the fourth charge sheet. Yes. My lord, paragraph 8 would be very important in the sense, my lord, they identify the total number of candidates who got appointment. So all the materials, paragraph 8 at page 17, running page 17 of this document. My lord has got that? Your lordship will find there is a table.
Yes.
Table covering 21 districts and the total number of candidates who got appointment. 42083. My lord has got that? Now, my lord, kindly take 9, paragraph 9. It has already been mentioned in the first supplementary charge sheet that the original as well as the scanned copies of OMR sheets, well, these OMR sheets are the 2014 TET OMR sheets.
Those are not with.
Yes. Well, that writ petition is pending. It is pending in the matter of Shantanu sheet. It is pending before the Honorable Single Judge, where, my lord, the state 2014 examination is under challenge.
Judge আসছে।
Dao, Shantanu sheet order ta dao.
No further.
No, it is there. It is there. No further compilation, my lord.
State 2014 is under challenge.
State
What is the-
2014
what
is under
the name?
challenge.
What is the name you said?
Shantanu sheet. My lord, may I give the WPA number?
Shantanu sheet.
Sheet and some others, my lord,
In-
Devabroto Das, etc. Several writ petitions are there.
In TET that OMR.
OMR
was
TET
pertaining
2014, yes, everything is under challenge. The matter is pending before the Honorable Single Judge. The Honorable Single Judge adjourned the matter due to pendency of the.
No.
That is meant.
Oh, it has to be taken up. The propriety, this court is, however, of the view that the propriety of TET 2014 examination would still require inquiry in these writ petitions, irrespective of the proceedings before the Honorable Division Bench. So the Division Bench is this matter.
No.
No, tale konta. Yes, this matter.
That's a very good, sir. Your contention is that was OMR pertaining.
Yes, my lord, that is TET
TET
2014.
is, issue is pending before another judicial.
Yes, other
forum. Yes.
judicial forum.
Yes.
So, my lord, in these proceedings, my
Now,
lord, so
this
far
list 42,000 includes the 38,000.
32,000. Now kindly take paragraph 9. It has already been mentioned in the first supplementary charge sheet that the original as well as the scanned copies of the OMR sheets were destroyed by Messrs. S. Basura and company as instructed by WBBPE. Hence, the roll numbers of the aforementioned appointed candidates received from DPSCs were compared with the TET 2014 result seized from NIC. It emerged out that out of 42083 candidates, 431 candidates were those who had not qualified in TET 2014 examination. It further emerged that out of these 431 candidates, 71 candidates were those who had been declared qualified in TET 2014 at a later date on the basis of order of the Honorable Court, High Court at Calcutta, and also after re-evaluation of OMRs. Thus, this is the most important sentence so far as this paragraph is concerned. Thus, only 360 candidates who had not qualified were found to have been appointed. So, now kindly turn over and take paragraph 15. Where, my lord, this 1 mark issue is considered.
Paragraph 16.
15, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. 15.
Huh.
My lord has got that?
Yes.
May I just read it out? Investigation has further revealed that numerous candidates had represented to the WBBPE and a few had moved petitions in the Honorable High Court at Calcutta that a particular question, number 6 in the JGB booklet, number 4 in so-and-so booklet in Bengali medium paper, and had 2 correct answers, option A and B, and only those candidates who had marked option B had been awarded a mark, while those who had marked option A had not been awarded the same. It has emerged that on 2011-2017, Mala, kindly mark the date. On 2011-2017, a resolution was passed by West Bengal board. This is the board in a meeting presided over by this Manik Bhattacharya, that such candidates who had marked option A would also be awarded 1 mark, provided that the candidate should be, Mala, kindly take, the candidate should be I trained. II fell short to qualify by 0.1 mark. III had written the examination in Bengali medium. 4 had marked option A. One of the criterion was that the candidate has to be trained. The meeting took place on 20th November 2017, and all my appellants before your lordship were appointed during the period February to April 2017. Long after, when we are already, my lord, we are working as primary teachers in different schools. But the scam, Alex scam, whatever the scam they say, the scam or the allegations pertain to a period which is post-selection, actual selection.
You have said this.
Yes, madam. Now kindly take, it has emerged that a note was put up by Manik Bhattacharya to the Principal Secretary Education Department with copy of the resolution and expert opinion for further processing in ministry. Finally, the note was approved by Partho Chatterjee, the then Minister of Education, Government of West Bengal, on 22, Mala again marks the date, my lord, 22/11/2017. Accordingly, on 30/11/2017, another resolution was passed by WBBPE to the effect that Department of School Education had approved the recommendation of award of 1 mark to the eligible candidates. It is also mentioned in the said resolution that the Secretary of the Board had submitted a note for consideration and acceptance by the board. As per the note, 270 candidates met the aforementioned 4 criteria decided in the resolution dated 20/11/2017 and also enclosed the breakup of such number of candidates district-wise. It has emerged that no such note of the Secretary of the Board was kept on the file, and the details of the 270 candidates like roll numbers, father's name, etc. have also not been entered in the resolution register. This act shows that the entire omission was a deliberate act on the part of Manik Bhattacharya only to avoid detection and keep the entire act of commission discreet. The district-wise number of such candidates mentioned there as follows. So, Malad, the district-wise number is also there. Now, Malad, kindly takes paragraph 16. It has emerged during investigation that actually 428 candidates fell in these categories and therefore 1 mark should have been awarded to all of them. However,
Mr. Majumdar, why you are placing? It has been the submission. We have taken note that 294, that was 270 plus 94.
Malad, why I am placing?
Ultimately, your contention is the chart investigation has boiled down to this issue.
Yes.
That at best, if there had been irregularity, that is pertaining to
Why am-
those 2 categories, and we are appointed prior thereto, we are not party.
Malad, I am trying to, why I am making this submission? Just 1 minute. I am making this submission for the reason that once these candidates are identified, when the names are there, your lordship will find at paragraph 17.
Yes.
Once these names are identified, the candidates are identified, both in the category of 270 and 94. Malad, then there remains not even a cavil that the 32,000 candidates.
You made that submission. Scam at best, if any, is pertaining to 270.
But at that stage, Malad, we did not have the identity of
that
the
is fortified by this chart sheet,
that
which
is
has been
fortified
given.
by this chart.
Thank you.
Kindly
Yes.
take paragraph 17 only. I am not placing. Paragraph 17 for these 264, 270 candidates. Now, Milord, kindly take, goes on. Kindly take paragraph 18, which gives a list of 46 candidates amongst that 270. Then, my lord, kindly
Paragraph
take
18.
18 is, my lord, kindly take, my lord, 18, I am not reading the whole. The investigation has thus revealed that following 46 candidates were untrained when, at what stage? At the time of TET 2014. These 46 belongs to the first category. These 46 is part of paragraph 17. These 46 is part of paragraph 17.
That is 294.
270. So that is why, my lord, I required to place this. That non
Is that 94 list?
Yes, I'm coming to that. Certainly, my lord. My lord, kindly before I take na Josh Sahib age jeta proshno korche seta uttor dao. No. These 96 candidates your lordship will find at 27. Again, identified. So, my lord, the grain can be separated from the chaff. Unlike SSC, unlike anything. This labeling the entire selection process, dubbing the entire selection process as a scam engineered process is wholly incorrect in the facts of the case. Now, my lord, kindly take paragraph 28. This is very important. When these 96 were recommended, that's also a relevant date. Whether this happened during our time or not.
Para 28.
28.
Yes.
আসবো জশ সাহেব জিজ্ঞেস করছি টাইম কত শুনবে
28. Yes.
28, my lord. Kindly take paragraph 28. investigation has revealed that the aforesaid 96 candidates were also recommended for appointment. Vide recommendation letter what? Dated 4/12/2017. So we get 3 dates. 4 December 2017. We get 3 dates. 2011-2017, 30/11/2017.
30/11 for what?
Yes, kindly take. I take your lordship back to paragraph 15 once again. Kindly take paragraph 15 once again.
Resolution, another resolution.
The resolution of the board. Kindly take page 21.
What are the 3 dates here?
Rather 4 dates. I'm sorry. From at paragraph 15, you will lordship will find 3 dates. One is 2011-2017. This is my lord 9 lines from the top of paragraph 15.
Yes.
Right, my lord has got that.
Hmm.
Then my lord, your lordship will another date. That is my lord the note approved by Partho Chatterjee. This is 4th line from the top at page 21. 22/11/2017. My lord has got that. Then in the same in the next sentence, the next date is 30/11/2017. So for 270 candidates, 3 dates are relevant: 2011, 22/11, 30/11, and for these 96 candidates, my lord, only 4th December 2017 is relevant date. Yes. One more paragraph I would like to
4th December
2017, as would be evident from paragraph 28. And also kindly take 22. Just one paragraph. My lord, kindly bear with me. Kindly bear with me.
Yes.
The WBBP has informed that no records regarding interview. Whose interview records are not available? No records regarding interview, aptitude test, preparation of merit list panels regarding appointments of candidates under the resolution of the board meetings for awarding 1 mark are available. So that takes us to 2011, 22/11, 30/11. It has also emerged that these 270 candidates were recommended to the respective DPSCs for issuance of appointment letters. Vide memo number so and so dated 4/12/2017 under the signature of Ratna Chakraborty Banerjee, the then secretary of WBBPE. The investigation has revealed that 264 out of 270 candidates were appointed. Thus, it has been established that these 264 candidates were appointed in a grossly irregular manner in pursuance to the criminal conspiracy between Partho Chatterjee and Manik Bhattacharya under the garb of resolution of the board for award of 1 mark to the withheld candidates, which was approved by Partho Chatterjee, the then MIC of Education.
Yes.
Your lordship will find the same date at paragraph 28, which I have already placed. For this 96 or 90, kindly take once. Page 39, paragraph 28.
Paragraph
28, my lord. That is at the end of the list of 96 candidates. So, my lord, we get a now, my lord, the upshot is this: these 264, the appointments of these 264, the services of these 264 candidates is now protected by an order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. The appointment of these 96 or 94 candidates is also protected by another order of the Supreme Court. And my lord, the applicants and the writ petitioners want us to go who do not even feature in this list. But we do not feature. They cannot say that we feature in the list. And everything happened post April 2017. It is not an exercise which was carried out by the board pre-April 2017. And that would be evident from the first, second, third supplementary charge sheet. One more thing, my lord. If your lordship kindly takes that CRM.
All right, Mr. Ojumdar, we got
Yes.
your-
Now, my lord, I would wish to distinguish the Tripura judgment because questions came up for consideration. Your lordship was putting queries regarding Tripura judgment. If I am correctly understood your lordship, my lord, subject to your lordship's kind consideration. Because my lord, we cannot repeat in a reply.
No, that
What-
Miss Arora just now reiterated.
My lord, I will just little
All
more
right.
detail. My lord, kindly take, my lord, the Tripura judgment, which is reported in 2014 SCC online, Tripura 291.
Yes.
Well, even Mr. Bhattacharya says that this has no application. Well, sometimes, my lord, your lordship will find the parties are somewhere added.
On the question of law,
Well, kindly take the judgment. If your lordship kindly takes the judgment from us.
No, you give us the distinguishing.
I am giving the distinct and the paragraphs. And the paragraphs of the, my lord, the reported decision. Well, I have got the SCC online version.
No, you give us the distinguishable points only.
Right, right. Kumar Jyoti দেখিয়েছিল না? হ্যাঁ। My lord, first distinguishing feature is that preference was given to